everybody. Thank you for watching this video. We are seeing English vocabulary. So now already I have done 3 videos. So you can use that sequence so that you can learn more words. So before we am going to the class, I just want to request everyone to subscribe my channel, and that will be helpful for to give more videos with very good words. So now we can go with today quotes. The limit of my language or the limit of my word. Yes, the language will be the limit when the limit of my world. So where I was limited my language, there I have limited of my world. So you want to be expand your world very big, you need to be expand your language. If you expand your language, yes, your world also will be expand. So if you limit the world, you limit your language, you will world also will be the limited one. So now we can go for the words. I'm just today we are going to see the first word is
Erect. Erect.
erect.
Erect.
It's a meaning of now what is the meaning of the
Erect.
erect is wriggly upright. So what is the meaning for this in Tamil? Nimirdu. Okay. Now we are going to see next word. This is a very important word.
Bewilderment. Bewilderment.
Bewilderment.
Bewilderment. Bewilderment.
The feeling of being perplexed and confused. Something is like people who is confused. They are not in the stable thing. So here you can see there was bewilderment at the shift of government policy. So the government policy was shift. It's making some confusions in that. That is a thing that we are using this word
Bewilderment. Bewilderment.
bewilderment. In Tamil, it's a manakulapattai. In Tamil, it's meaning that mana kulapattai. So next word we are going to see is
Perplexed. 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 Perplexed.
perplexed,
Perplexed.
perplexed,
Perplexed.
perplexed, perplexed. So completely batified or very puzzled. So it is something. It's a meaning of puzzling thing, actually puzzle oriented thing. So she gave me a perplexed look. She gave me him a perplexed look means the look which she given, it's something giving lot of puzzling thing. So that is the meaning of that word sentence. Actually, this is the once again I'm repeating the word pronunciation.
Perplexed. Perplexed.
Perplexed. It means குழப்பம் குழம்பு குழப்பம் அடைந்தவுடன் குழப்பம் அடைந்தவுடன். That is perplexed. Exasperation.
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 exasperation,
exasperation,
exasperation, exasperation,
exasperations. The feelings of intensive irritation or annoyance. She rolled her eyes in ex- exasperation. So she rolled her eyes with exasperation. It's thing that irritation, something the feel of irritation. In Tamil, பெரும் எரிச்சல் உடன், பெரும் எரிச்சல் உடன். So exasperation is meaning is that feeling of intense irritations, intense irritations. You something the feel of your intense irritations. So that is exasperation. So now we're going to see chore.
chore, chore,
Routine task, especially the household one. So the
chore,
chore is a meaning that routine task. Some work we will do the routine daily work, routine work, the monoplic work, that is which we are doing the same thing for day by day, and especially it's a householding one. We have we can see the sentence for that. More people than even before the sometimes of the holding the chores for them. So more people than even before have someone to do their household chores for them. That is chore. In Tamil also is a chore. Next is strut.
strut,
Strut.
strut,
Struck.
strut,
Struck.
strut,
Struck. Struck.
strut,
A rod or a form of part of framework and designed to resist a compression. Compression. Strut. Strut.
strut,
So it's a meaning of rod. Muttu.
sternly, sternly,
Sternly.
sternly,
Sternly.
sternly,
Sternly.
sternly,
It's a serious and severe manner, especially when asserting authority or existing discipline. It's it's a exercising discipline. She Sterling warned me to do to not do anything stupid. Sterling means it's a decent way of telling something. See, in Tamil we can kandipudan. In what is with strictly we are telling the words that is sterling.
sternly,
Sterling.
sternly,
Sterling is it means a series of severe manner, especially when assenting authority, assenting authority. So excusing discipline. So Sterling warned me to not do anything stupid. That is a word you can, that's an example word for Sterling.
sternly,
So today we saw five, I think, seven word we already saw today. I hope that today we saw some good words. For just I can go with a glance. Eric, bewilderment, perplexed, exasperation, chore, chores, stand and sterling. So bewilderment. Just I'm once again I am just putting that word
bewilderment,
bewilderment.
bewilderment,
So it's a confused. It's a being the perplexed and confused. So something like confusing. It's not in steady mind. So I hope that when you practicing these things on a daily basis, or you when using these words in your regular communication, definitely you can able to improve your it will be helpful for you to improve your communications. And I'm very thank you for you to watching this video. Once again, please subscribe this channel and give the recognition for our videos to put more and more. It will be helpful for not only for you, for other also. So keep in mind that and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.